God, I love ramen. I think I eat ramen at least 3 times a week. It is so good on its own, but if you use it as an ingredient, it plays a powerful role in that dish. Fried rice is an excellent way to use ramen. I'll show you how excellent it is. Let's go to work. First, let's choose the ramen. You can pick any kind you want. The possibility is limitless. My recommendation is these two, Shin Ramen and Samyang Ramen. Both have the classic typical ramen flavor. Shin Ramen is spicier, Samyang is milder and has some ham flavor. If you really like hot and spicy one, Bulldog kind of ramen is yours, which I never eat. Next, the rice. My advice for good rice are these. 1. Weigh the rice and water. 2. Wash your rice thoroughly. 3. Use the rice cooker. Before washing the rice, weigh about 100 grams for one portion. For fried rice, weigh the water 90% of the rice. So if you make 3 portions, 300 grams of rice, 270 grams of water. After that, wash your rice thoroughly until the water runs clear and cook with the rice cooker. By doing this, you will get perfectly cooked rice every single time. No bullshit, no stress. You can use fresh rice for the fried rice, but then you have to spread the rice and let them steam off. It should be dried a little bit. For the rest, egg, spring onion sliced, fresh garlic minced, and soy sauce. Just make sure all of them are ready before you fire up. It requires not many ingredients, but therefore every one of them is important. Ingredient list in the description. Alright, let's begin with the ramen. Take out the spice mix and toppings, and you have to crush the ramen. If you got a cup ramen, take out the noodle, put it in the plastic bag, and crush it gently. Don't go too hard, we are not making powder. If you got pouch type ramen, don't open it and crush it first. If you try to crush it after opening it, the life will get much harder. You will thank me later. After that, you have to par cook the noodle. Remember, half water, half spice, half cook time. If the direction of the ramen package says 500 grams of water for 4 minutes, for example, put 250 grams of boiling water, roughly half amount of spice mix, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. For pouch type ramen, I recommend you to microwave it. The noodle is thick, so it needs more heat. And keep the half of spice mix just in case. Once the noodle is cooked, it's time to fire up. First, cup ramen version. Pan on, medium-high heat, oil in, spring onions in, fry it lightly. You have to be aware of the fire, otherwise the spring onion will burn like this. Don't be reckless like me, just maintain medium to medium-high heat. Next, rice in and try to separate the grains. I'm punching it with a ladle. Don't worry about mashing it because it will not, unless you really mash it. Then soy sauce in, stir and toss. And the prepared ramen goes in. Again, stir, 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 toss, toss, toss. Stir frying about 2 minutes will be enough. It's done! You can add the spice mix to adjust saltiness, and optionally, little bit of sesame seed oil will be nice. I hope you didn't throw away the cup. Fill the cup and press with the spoon gently. Now, moment of truth. Nice. Mission accomplished. Let's do it one more time. This time I'll go with the pouch ramen. Almost same sequence. Fry eggs, set aside. Fry spring onion. Fry rice, punch and separate. Ramen in, stir, egg back in. Chop it and mix. Heat up, sesame oil in. And for the courtesy of Joshua Weissman, about a teaspoon of freshly minced raw garlic. Final mix. And this time you need a cup. My trustworthy heat-resistant pint glass. Fill the rice and press. Now get the plate upside down on the cup and flip. Beautiful. Uh-oh, it's falling. I think I feel too much. If you need to maintain the cup shape, maybe don't fill up the cup too much. So how does it taste? Flavor-wise, it is well balanced. Salty, umami, spicy, you don't need any side dish. The real selling point of this is texture. The ramen noodle texture is extraordinary. It is springy, soft, really delightful to chew. It will be quite surprising to those who think ramen is boring. Okay, that's it for today. I really like this recipe. I cook this dish pretty often for myself. I can get its ingredients everywhere and every time. It is so easy to make, and yet it tastes amazing. This method elevates the typical ramen to a decent meal. I highly recommend you to try this. Alright, that's really it for today. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.